Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can fix this error in Windows 10 or 11. So whenever this shows up, this app can't run on your PC. We have two simple fixes. Let me show you real quick. First, select any application. For example, I will choose Steam. Right click, select Properties, go to Compatibility, and run the compatibility troubleshooter. In most cases, this will actually fix this error. However, if not, then we have a problem. But don't worry, we have another solution. Now, I want you to go to the Start menu and type in Settings. Now, look for Developer Settings, this one. Here, I want you to turn this on. It will show a message. Read this carefully, click yes. The issue should now be resolved and fixed.